Hey everyone, I hope you're having a very lovely day. I have been getting behind on my other content that I was posting due to the fact I've been doing a lot of Legos lately. But um, so I am going to get caught up a little bit, and I am getting ready to start the Hocus Pocus Lego set, which I'm super ecstatic about. After that one, I'll be doing Nightmare Before Christmas Lego set, and then I also have Beauty and the Beast. And I was going to do the Beauty and the Beast one first, but with Halloween coming up, I want to get Hocus Pocus and the Nightmare Before Christmas done so that I can display them in part of my Halloween decorations. So, anyways, at the end of this video, though, I'm going to show you a few things that I have besides Lego, and um, if you would be so kind to put in the comments what you want to see me open next, I would greatly appreciate it. And as always, thank you for watching this video, and let's get started. All right, so I already do have a mini fridge, but I wanted another one. These have been super hard for me to find, but I actually found this one at Walmart. I guess Walmart has them now. And I don't know if they have something different than if all the fridges have something different than each other. So let's open it and find out. There's Alright, so I got the wrapper off. It was kind of stuck around the handles. Have it open. Have it open this. And of course, this is the same. To go on the side of the door and the drawers and stuff. And then, let's see. Now I know that I made something for the other fridge. I'll actually pull that down here in a second and see. Oh yeah, it is the same thing. So, I don't know, guys. Yeah, the magnets are the same too, so if anybody else has gotten this fridge and sees that there was something different, then let me know. Here's a scoop. That's pretty cool. Then we got an Olipop. Now, I had thought that came with more than one magnet. So let me show you the inside of my other fridge, and I'll show you what I had. Alright, so when I opened it, my eggs went flying everywhere. I do like the egg holder in the fridge. That's pretty cool. But anyways, also got some oats jar. And then this is what it is after it is made. I'm not going to do that in this video. I'm going to put that aside, and maybe one day when I'm bored, I'll do it on a live or something. But that's what it is. And we got a pizza box and some hot dogs, Baby Bell cheese, some Sunny D in here, cream cheese. Get that shut. And then I also do have some stuff in the bottom drawer. Some eggplant and fish and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. And another thing I like about this fridge is it has a light, and it also has a UV light. So, yeah. Put that one back up there. Get the stuff put in the door. Get these shelves in. Oh, actually, I think this one goes on top, because this one is labeled where to put the item. All right, just like so. Got all that put in there and get that closed. And then I do know that I have another fridge one. Let's see. All right here. So I found this one at Family Dollar. It's Series 5. It looks like it might come with some food items. It's 90 iconic minis to collect. So let's go ahead and get that open. Oops. So honestly, I don't even know what this is. It looks like it was gum. It's called S-Mint, 50 pieces. Let me know in the comments if you've ever seen this before. That's cool. Bottle of Sprite. That's cool. Put that in the fridge. Ooh, we got Post-its. Just to think, whoever made Post-its is probably sitting on a beach somewhere living it up. So popular. Then, ooh, we got German chocolate pie. And then another Post-it. So we got 2 Post-its in this one. I felt robbed. I shouldn't have got two of the same ones in the same package. But that's okay. Moving on to the Fill the Fridge one. Honestly, every time I go, these seem to be out too. So I'm going to have to stock up on them next time I find a bunch. They just go so quick. Fresh milk. I do not have that yet. Jello. I do have Jello, but I believe it's the vanilla one. Or I guess that's pudding, not Jello. We got some. I am not going to try and pronounce this because I don't know what it is. But, yeah, that. Got some mayo. Ooh, we got another magnet. So I can go through the bags and make sure I didn't miss any because that was just kind of laying out. It doesn't feel like it, so. We got some broccoli. That's cool. And then we got some Mike's Hot Honey. And I actually do have this. I didn't get it in the Fill the Fridge one, but I do have Mike's Hot Honey, so that's cool. All right, guys. Now we'll get what goes in the fridge, put in the fridge. Starting off, we'll put the mayo in the door. And we'll put the milk on the shelf. And the chocolate pie in the freezer. We're not going to put the honey in there. This looks like some type of jam, so we're going to put the jam in there. Of course, the pudding. A bottle of Sprite. Put it in there. And then we will put the broccoli in the drawer. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a couple options on what you want me to do next. I got this Jumbo Mystery Capsule, which I did the Stitch one. You can see that on my page. I got this. Or this. So you guys decide and let me know which one you want to see me do next. And as always, thank you for watching and have a beautiful day.